Good morning, wonderful, amazing, fantastic geometry students. This is Ms. Youngblood here, bringing you today's review topic, which is translations. So I'm going to start by reviewing two of the problems on the assignment that was posted on Google Classroom. There's only 6 problems, so I'm only doing 2, so I don't do the whole sheet for you. So for the first problem, we are given the translations, all of them in arrow notation. So this arrow notation, we're translating each point, x, y, to x plus 3, y. This addition of 3 just means that we're moving in the positive direction on the x-axis. So that means we are increasing our x values by 3. Simply means we're going to go to the right 3 spaces. We're going to take each point and move it right 3. So L starts here. I'm sorry, this is J. J starts here and it goes right 1, 2, 3 to this point. K begins here. It goes right 1, 2, 3 to this new point, or our image point. We use that vocab, K prime. L, our pre-image point, starts here and goes right 1, 2, 3 to our image point, L prime. We just connected those 3 dots to get our new image, J, K, J prime, K prime, L prime. So that's the first translation. The second translation requires 2 moves for each point. So again, these are the original points. X minus 2 means we're going left. Yes, left. Taking each point and moving left 2 spaces. Y plus 4 means we're taking each point and going up 4 spaces. So if this would have been x plus 2, you'd be going to the right. If this would have been y minus 4, you'd be going down. And that should really be enough to help you on the other problems as well. But let's finish this one. So we're going to take our pre-image. Can't really see the letters. I believe it's IJK. Yes. So we're translating triangle IJK to our new triangle I prime, J prime, K prime. To do that, take each point, move it left 2, up 4. So let's start with I. If we start with I and go left 1, 2, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, we reach our image point I prime. If we start with J and go left 1, 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, we reach our image point J prime. If we start at K and go left 1, 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, we reach our image point K prime. So that's how you would translate the pre-image IJK to the image I prime, J prime, K prime. We're now going to look at some of the Khan Academy problems. So in this first Khan Academy problem, it says draw the image of triangle ABC under a translation of 2 units down. So they actually just give us the translation in words. So we're going to take each of these original points and move it down 2. So I'll show you what it should look like and then show you my final answer after I actually do it. So C is going to be here, down 2. A, it's not there. Focus, what needs to focus? My computer needs to, okay. So A is going to be here, down 2, and B is going to be here, down 2. So let's see what that actually looks like. So that's what the pre-image looks like, translated 2 units down for the image. Notice how the shapes are exactly the same, they're just shifted in the coordinate plane. This next problem was given to us in arrow notation, which we just reviewed on the handout problems. So we have x comma y plus 3, which means each point should be moved 3 spaces up. You don't move it left or right, just 3 spaces up. Let me shift it over a little bit. So as you can see, I moved C 3 spaces up, A 3 spaces up, and B 3 spaces up. The last problem in the set that appeared the most different gave us 2 moves to make. So it says we're changing this point to x plus 2, y plus 2, which means we're going to go right 2 and up 2 for each point. So as we can see, for the letter or point C, I moved right 2, up 2, For this point B, I moved right to up to, and for this point A, I moved right to up to. And that actually concludes our review for translations. So I remember most of you guys really like translations because they were kind of easy. So today's review should go a little bit smoother for us if others have been a struggle. Again, if you have questions about any additional problems on the handout that's on Google Classroom or on any of your problems on the Khan Academy set, please don't hesitate to comment down below for this video, comment on Google Classroom, send me an email, and set up a video chat, whatever you need so that we can make sure you're getting the support you need to understand these review concepts. I'm going to close out today's video by looking at the daily meditation that was posted on Google Classroom on Friday. So Friday's daily meditation was spreading positive energy. During times of crisis, we tend to focus solely on ourselves due to the amount of stress caused by our situations. We've seen people piling grocery carts with toilet paper and meat that has led to a shortage in grocery stores. Although this selfishness is understandable, it contradicts our natural desire to be social. Generally speaking, we tend to feel better when we are taking the time to interact with others in a positive way. These positive interactions can be as small as taking the time to talk to those around you about how they are doing during this stressful time, and reaching out to other friends and family who you might not get to see. We could also create and post videos that might bring joy or a little stability to those who are truly suffering during this time. Whatever you do, take the time to bring positive vibes into someone's life. My song of the day for Friday was Stand Up from Harriet by Cynthia Erivo. Again, if you want to share your thoughts on the daily meditation or your song of the day that's helping you get through this stressful time, feel free to comment that below, comment on Google Classroom, or you can send me an email or message me in any way that I've communicated already. Again, I hope this video finds you well. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it, and I will see you later.